Hey guys, Jason here, paddleguide.com. This trip I'm going to take you out in the Pro Fisha from Stealth Kayaks. This is a fiberglass ski. It's been imported by a local kayak fisherman. I think it's one of the first in the country here in New Zealand. He's loaned it to me to put some Railblazer starports on it so he can take it out fishing this weekend. The weather's turned nasty and we've got some decent swell rolling in here, so I'm going to take it out and see what it's like in the waves. I'm used to paddling a 4.2 metre kayak with a lot more rocker. It's my Barracuda Fish Pro. And this kayak's got very little rocker and it's a lot longer, so I'm going to take it easy, especially as it's not my kayak. I have to pick my waves, but take you along for the ride and see what you think. I have my GoPro with me, mounted to the Camera Boom 150. I've got 4 starports on this kayak so I can move it around and get some different angles. Let's see what you think. Enjoy.
This is how I show my love. I made it in my mind because blame it on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel cries. I blame it on my own sick pride. Blame it on my ADD, baby.
Well, there you go, that was my first session in the Stealth Pro Fisha. I'm not quite sure that was the best conditions to take it out for a first trial. Hard to make a judgment call after the first time out, but so I'll hopefully I get another chance to paddle it and take it outside because it's got some good hull speed. I imagine I could cover some distance pretty quickly. Alright, see you again, thanks for watching.